What if I told you that inside your body, a hidden army of trillions is constantly fighting to keep you healthy? These microscopic warriors aren't just random, they're the key to unlocking your strongest immune system yet. From boosting energy levels to improving mental clarity, their power goes far beyond digestion. Ready to uncover the secrets of this invisible world within you? Subscribe now and join us on a journey through science, health, and transformation. Deep within each of us lies an intricate ecosystem teeming with life, a bustling metropolis inhabited by trillions of microorganisms. This universe resides in your gut, where bacteria, fungi, viruses, and other tiny beings form what scientists call the microbiome. While it might sound like something out of a sci-fi novel, this microscopic community plays a role so vital that its influence extends far beyond digestion. Imagine these microbes as diligent workers in a factory, producing essential compounds, breaking down food, and even communicating with your brain. Among these microbial inhabitants are probiotics, beneficial bacteria that act as guardians of your health. They maintain balance in the gut, ensuring harmful invaders don't take over. Without them, chaos ensues. A disrupted microbiome can lead to bloating, fatigue, mood swings, and even chronic illnesses. But when harmony reigns, the benefits ripple throughout your entire body. For instance, did you know that 70% of your immune system resides in your gut? It's true. Probiotics help train immune cells, teaching them how to distinguish friend from foe. By doing so, they reduce inflammation and prevent unnecessary attacks on your own tissues, a process linked to autoimmune diseases. But their impact doesn't stop there. Recent studies have revealed fascinating connections between gut health and mental well-being. Ever felt butterflies in your stomach before a big presentation? That's your gut-brain axis at work. Probiotics play a crucial role in this communication highway, influencing everything from stress levels to cognitive function. Picture a symphony orchestra, where every instrument must be perfectly tuned for the music to flow seamlessly. Similarly, a balanced gut ensures your body operates in perfect harmony. Now let's dive deeper into the mechanisms behind probiotics' incredible powers. When you consume foods rich in probiotics, like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, or kimchi, you're essentially recruiting reinforcements for your internal army. These beneficial bacteria travel through your digestive tract, settling into their new home and beginning their work. One of their primary roles is crowding out harmful pathogens. Think of it as a neighborhood watch program. When good bacteria thrive, bad ones struggle to survive. Probiotics also produce short-chain fatty acids, SC-phase, which serve as fuel for the cells lining your intestines. These SC-phase strengthen the intestinal barrier, preventing toxins and undigested particles from leaking into your bloodstream, a condition known as leaky gut. Leaky gut has been associated with numerous ailments, including allergies, arthritis, and even depression. By fortifying this barrier, probiotics safeguard not only your gut but also your overall health. Another remarkable ability of probiotics is their knack for modulating inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a silent killer, contributing to heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Probiotics combat this by regulating cytokines, the chemical messengers that control inflammatory responses. In simpler terms, they turn down the volume on your body's alarm system when it's unnecessarily blaring. This anti-inflammatory effect isn't limited to physical health either. Researchers have found that certain strains of probiotics can alleviate symptoms of anxiety and depression, offering hope for those struggling with mental health challenges. Yet perhaps one of the most intriguing aspects of probiotics is their ability to personalize their effects. No two microbiomes are exactly alike, shaped by factors such as genetics, diet, environment, and lifestyle. This means that while some people may experience immediate relief from digestive issues after consuming probiotics, others might notice improvements in skin clarity or energy levels. The possibilities seem endless, making the study of probiotics one of the most exciting frontiers in modern medicine. So, how can you harness the power of probiotics to improve your own health? The first step is understanding that nurturing your microbiome requires more than popping a supplement. It's about creating an environment where beneficial bacteria can flourish. Diet plays a pivotal role here. Fiber-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes serve as prebiotics, the fuel that feeds your good bacteria. Without adequate prebiotics, even the best probiotic supplement won't yield optimal results. Incorporating fermented foods into your meals is another effective strategy. Fermentation naturally introduces live cultures into your diet, providing a diverse array of probiotic strains. Experiment with recipes featuring miso, kombucha, or tempeh to add variety to your plate. If supplements are part of your routine, look for products containing multiple strains and colony-forming units, CFUs, in the billions. However, remember that quality matters more than quantity. Always choose reputable brands backed by scientific research. Lifestyle choices also significantly impact your microbiome. Stress, lack of sleep, and excessive alcohol consumption can wreak havoc on your gut flora. Conversely, regular exercise, mindfulness practices, and adequate rest promote a thriving microbial community. Consider adopting habits that support both your physical and mental well-being, knowing that these efforts will pay dividends in the long run. Finally, patience is key. Unlike quick fixes, cultivating a healthy microbiome is a gradual process. Changes may not be immediately noticeable, but over time, you'll likely experience enhanced vitality, clearer skin, improved digestion, and a stronger immune system. Remember, the journey to better health begins in your gut, and the potential rewards are limitless. Before we wrap up, here's a thought to leave you with. What if the secret to living your best life was already inside you, waiting to be unlocked? Start today by embracing the power of probiotics. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights into the fascinating world of health and wellness. Together, let's unlock the mysteries of the human body, one discovery at a time.